Another day to show you guys how possibilities. So this is the index we analyzed yesterday, and I told you guys that I'm on the sell side of the market on this index, that I was expecting the retracement to that level for the sells. And here today we took a sell trade. I took a sell trade basically on this index. I also took a sell trade yesterday on this index after the analysis, after price got to our sell zone at this point, this first approach. Here I sold this index from this point. So today the market came back to the same zone we marked out in the analysis yesterday, and I shared this sell signal to my VIP members. We made good money on these sells. That's a few positions running up, about two positions, 2 to 3 positions running up on these sells. My stop loss below my entry, so I'm actually safe in this trade. I made over $1,000 on this sell trade on VIX 25 index because I still had the sell expectations regardless of getting these bullish moves the past hours. We had the market push up to this point, push up to this level. So I'm probably getting to this zone. I expected the sells on this index. So I want us to analyze this index in today's video, and I will share with you guys how I knew this index is still going to sell from these points, how I got my entries, reasons of taking the sells, my entry confirmations on this level. So do well to stay to the end of the video to get every detail on this market breakdown and market analysis, trade review basically. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that this index has been bullish. We can see here these bullish moves, and another reason why I saw this index was that here the bullish moves we've been getting at this point has been choppy. We've been having less bullish strength, but the market has been managing to push to the upside, but the bullish strength here is kind of low. So I expected the sells on this index, and when we have an imaginary view on this index, we can see that we have sell possibilities because the market is trying to form a big head and shoulders pattern formation, having the head at that point, the left shoulder here basically, and the right shoulder which the market is forming at this point. So the drop to the downside is expected, right? The drop to the downside is expected, at least for price to get to this strong level of support, this level that the market failed to give the last test of. So I expect the test of this level in the coming weeks and days on this index. Then on the test of that level, we could see the market push up a little bit before the push back to the downside, for the market dropping further. Then on price dropping further, we could now see the market do what? Give a retest of this level, turning this level of support to resistance for the sells, as well as the retest of the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern formation the market is forming. Because every reversal pattern formation, we have a neckline. So the neckline is actually at this point. The neckline is at this zone. So the break and retest of this level, we're getting this index drop to the downside. So let's expect the sells. I actually expect the sells to the downside in the coming hours and days and weeks, would say. And when we look closely, we can see that the market is creating a bearish formation, right? A bearish formation, having the first highs here. The next high that flowed up failed to close above this high. The market failed to close above this high, creating a higher high, right? Something of this kind, a break of that previous high, the retest of it, then the buy continuation for an uptrend continuation on this index, something of this kind, retesting these broken highs for a new high formation, creating a new high at this point, creating a new high here. The market failed to give a move of this kind, but instead the market gave what? A lower high, which is a bearish structure. Market gave a lower high formation after this first high. The next high that flowed up was not a high high, but a lower high, which is a bearish formation. So the next high that we are getting right now is a lower high, which you've been seeing a lot of rejections. Market has failed to close above these previous highs, which level is here, right? You can see this high is below this last high, which is also a bearish structure. So that's one of the main reasons why I'm looking at for sell opportunities, why I looked at for the sells on this index, and why the sells is likely to happen on this index. The structure on the high time frame is looking very bearish, so the drop to this level is expected, this level of support, and possibly the neckline of this big reversal pattern formation on the weekly time frame. So the daily time frame is looking good too, not bad as well, because we got this level, which is a strong level in the market, which price has been reacting on, and this level that we got the last reaction on after we got the sells. This level basically is the level that we got price reject from, right? You can see this last sells we got here. This sells basically price pushed to this level and pushed up back So this is a very sensitive level, a very strong level in the market. So I just expect this level to get broken. Once price breaks below this level, you're getting the big sells to the downside on this index. So the day time frame is looking good, not bad as well. Just for this level to get broken, then this index would tank massively, would sell strongly to the downside, right? But you can see I was able to make good money from looking out for day trading opportunities on this sell setup on VIX 25 index. If you haven't seen the last video, the analysis we did on this index, you can still go check it out. It's actually the last video before this particular video, right? So you can go check out the analysis and the market breakdown we did on this index. So this index is still in an uptrend, which is well acknowledged, but the break of this trend is actually expected, is possibly expected, right? The break of this level is expected. So price breaking this trend support, you test on it. Like I said, once this level gets broken, this level here basically, once this level gets broken, are getting the big sells to the downside on VIX 25 index, and this market will sell massively to this zone. We sell to this level, and we also have another level to take note of. This level we got an order block formation on, so we could still see possible reactions on this particular level. So if this level can be broken, then we'll see market sell to this zone before any short-term bullish move. Then see price break below this level, for break below this particular level here for the sells to these last lows, basically. So I'm strongly on the sell side of the market. I still expect more sales on this index. So on a lower time frame, after I identified my market trend, identified this zone, knew that there was a level here, a strong level in the market, I still expected this index to drop and break below this level. So on a lower time frame, the 4-hour time frame, I saw the market create lower highs and lower lows formation, which is clearly seen on the 1-hour time frame. So this is a nice structure we got the market creates on this 4-hour time frame, lower highs and lower lows formation. So I went to the 1-hour time frame and saw this formation clearly. So for the fact that this index is on a downtrend on the 1-hour time frame, I expected the sellers. I knew that the sellers have more hand in the market, have more possibilities in a downtrend market. I always emphasize on this. If the market is on a downtrend, we have more sell possibilities. So on price pushing to this zone, this level basically, I expected this index to drop to give the sells, having the market create lower highs and lower lows formation, right? Having the first high here on this 1-hour time frame, the next high that flowed up was a lower high, which is at this point. Another high here, a lower high, and another lower high was expected. So it was on this lower high, this next lower high formation that I took the sells. I took advantage of the market creating a new lower high, which we can see I'm moving in good profit. I shouted this sell signal to my VIP members. Don't miss out on my fire trade signals. To join my VIP group, message my admin. His username is dropped on my public Telegram channel. So you can see we are moving in good profits. I've closed about 80% of my positions in profit with my stop loss below my entry, securing the remaining 20 positions, holding it up to run up. So on the retest of these lows, this was a level of support, got broken, retested. I sold this index, I took the sells here, and market dropped massively. More sales expected in the coming hours and days on this index. So that's it, guys. That's how I was able to take another wonderful sell opportunity on this index, working with our market prediction yesterday, the market analysis we did on VIX 25 index. So it's very possible, guys. It's very possible to predict the market and make money from your market predictions. So for more trade reviews like on market breakdown, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for always engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.